Logic board removal. To begin, get your Torx T6 screwdriver, your flathead screwdriver, and your Phillips head screwdriver. Take extra caution in removing the logic board, as this is the most expensive piece in the machine. You will notice connections here, here, the video cable here, the PRAM battery here, another heat sensor here, begin by removing these. Very gently lift up with your flathead screwdriver. Now remove the yellow tape from the logic board very carefully. And the PRAM connection. Next, you will notice T6 screws located there. One underneath the video cable here. One here at the top of the logic board, one in the middle, one Phillips head at the bottom, another T6 here, 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 and two holding in the battery connection. Remove these with your Torx T6 screwdriver. Now get your Phillips head and remove the Phillips head screw. There is a screw holding down the video cable underneath the pillow. Remove the pillow and remove the T6 screw from the hinge. Once that's removed, set it aside and remove the last T6 screw from the logic board. Once those are removed, remove the last connection from the logic board. Gently lift up, and you will notice the power connection to the logic board. Remove the last connection and lift up, and lift the ports out of the bottom pan and lift out. The heatsink is also ready for removal. Simply lift up and out to remove.